organizational alignment is really critical with PLM. I don't have hard numbers, but my guess is that 95+% of all these projects are sponsored by some combination of R&D, ops, and then IT. And the most successful ones are the ones that really have true joint cross-functional support from R&D and ops together. The relationship between those two organizations is really interesting, because often we're asking R&D to do more in the form of entering BOMs or processing changes for the downstream benefit of ops, who want earlier access to cleaner BOMs. And what that means is that the pain and the gain aren't really well aligned. And that's okay as long as both of those organizations have signed up to that in advance and there's an agreement between the two.